100 subscribers, you guys are awesome. I know I'm brand new to this, but thank you so much. My name's Jim, and this is The Edge of Tech. Hey everybody, I noticed that I was over 100 subscribers, and I wanted to make a quick video to say thank you so much. I really appreciate everybody that's watched the videos, and I really appreciate Luke Hatfield for letting me film his content to get it out there to hopefully visualize the videos a little better. I learned so much better when I'm watching something and following along, and I'm really hoping it's helping some of you guys out there. I really appreciate everybody that's watched the videos, everybody that's hit the subscribe button below and the little bell to notify you when the new videos come out. Thank you so much to my wife, who's helped me so much through my arm situation here. I fractured my elbow. I'm hoping to be back in business in another week where I can use both hands all the time, but we'll see what happens. But thank you again so much. I really appreciate the subscribes. Please keep watching. When we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway, so keep that up, spread the word, and keep printing.